Hello my amazing people, you're welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be talking about sunburn, and I'm also going to be giving you permanent solution to your sunburn. What do you understand by sunburn? Sunburn is a skin damage caused by too much ultraviolet radiation, usually from the sun. And when you are treating sunburn, you do not need harsh product. You need mild product that will help you to hydrate your skin, heal your skin, and moisturize your skin. I'm going to be talking about how I was able to transform my skin to this extent. Yes, and it didn't take me 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week. Please, I'm not going to come here and lie to you that I was able to take care of my sunburn. I was able to take off my sunburn within 3 days, within 2 days. No, it took me 1 month and 1 week. That is 4 weeks for me to get this result. Yeah, now what you will be needing is turmeric, aloe vera, and honey. And what is turmeric? What does turmeric do to your skin? Turmeric helps to brighten your skin. Okay, it has antioxidant benefit that helps with acne and redness. What about aloe vera? Aloe vera helps to soothe sunburn, heal the skin, hydrate the skin, reduces redness and inflammation, and also support skin barrier. Honey helps to deeply moisturize your skin, promote healing, helps with acne, soothes irritation and redness, promote healing, and also glows the skin. So combining these 3 powerful ingredients together is going to give you a permanent result. Is going to give you an amazing result. And when you combine these 3 ingredients together, it's going to help you soothe irritation, fight acne causing bacteria, hydrate the skin, and help brighten and heal your skin from whatever your skin is suffering from, and gives you a healthy looking skin. You're going to be needing a very mild facial wash to wash your face first before you will apply the mixture of honey, aloe vera, and turmeric on your skin. I will recommend the simple face wash or this Vit Gold facial wash. These are both very mild on your skin, because when you're treating sunburn, like I said initially, you will be needing mild product, because your skin barrier is already altered, your skin barrier is already damaged. So using harsh product will irritate your skin more. So that's why it is advisable when you're treating sunburn, focus on healing your skin first, focus on hydrating your skin, focus on soothing your skin, focus on moisturizing your skin, and leave whitening and lightening product aside. So you wash your face first of all before you apply that home remedy you're going to be applying on your face. And when you do this, give yourself 1 month and 1 week, you're going to see a massive result. And please, this routine is not for a lazy person, okay, at all. It is not for a lazy person, because you're going to be doing this 3 times in a week. I'm also going to be talking about the skincare routine you will be needing so that you will get an amazing result. Keep washing, and if you wash to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you are doing this home remedy, please, you need to put on a black outfit. Turmeric stains a lot, right? So you're going to be wearing either a dark brown, a black outfit. You don't need anything white or whatever outfit that is going to retain stains. So you're going to be doing this home remedy 3 times in a week, and you're going to be leaving it on your face for 30 minutes, okay, for it to absorb and do its job very well. I promise you're going to see amazing results. And also apply on your neck. Whatever you're applying on your face is supposed to also goes to your neck, so that your face will not be brighter than your neck. So you need to apply on your face and also on your neck and also on your lips. So that's what I'm actually doing right here. I like it for 30 minutes and go straight to the bathroom and wash it off. Please, I'm sorry if my bedroom is a little bit darker because my ring light, I did not use it, and the light in my bedroom is a little bit dim. I'm sorry about that. So you're going to massage on your face first. Please, you do not need soap when you just go into your bedroom. You need to use your bare hands to massage it on your face first. Then after massaging on your face, then you can take your soap, apply on your face, and make sure you wash your face very well. Take your time, wash your face very well because of the turmeric. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. I'm doing this because of the purpose of this video. Wash your face very well. Just take your time, massage the soap on your face, massage very well. Take your time, massage, so that you will gain the benefits of the soap. So first of all, you'll be needing a toner, and this is Estee niacinamide toner. It's a brightening toner formulated with 10% niacinamide and alpha-arbutin to target hyperpigmentation, dullness, and uneven skin tone. If you don't have any toner, you can actually use rose water. Rose water is also very mild. If you are treating sunburn, is also very recommendable. But if you can get a good toner like this, niacinamide is recommendable. Now you'll be needing a very mild face syrup. This is face fat ceramide syrup. This helps to moisturize your skin and restore your skin barrier, especially if your skin barrier is damaged. It has vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid, and it will help to restore your damaged skin barrier, help you heal your skin, hydrate your skin, and moisturize your skin. These are the kind of products you need when you are treating sunburn. And most importantly, you'll be needing sunscreen. Please, if you know you will not be using sunscreen, do not bother to invest in any skin product or do any home remedy. No, it's not going to work. It's going to be a waste of time. The most important thing when you are treating sunburn, even if you are not treating any skin issue, you need a sunscreen in your skincare routine. It is very important. The importance of sunscreen can never be overemphasized on. So I would recommend you get a good sunscreen. If you are watched to this extent, thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, don't forget to share and also like this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.